Investing through the Yono SBI app involves following these steps. Download and registration. Download the Yono SBI app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Register and log in using your SBI account credentials. If you don't have an SBI account, you will need to open one first. Activate investment amount. Once logged in, you can activate your investment account if you haven't done so already. It might involve completing certain formalities and providing documents. Access investment section. In the app, navigate to the Invest or Wealth section to explore the available investment options such as mutual funds, stocks, bonds, and more. Research and select. Do thorough research within the app to understand different investment instruments available. Select an investment that aligns with your financial goals and risk appetite. Investment process. After choosing the investment option, go through the steps outlined in the app. It usually includes specifying the amount you want to invest, selecting the fund, and making the investment. Confirm and monitor. Verify the details of your investment and proceed to confirm the investment. Once the investment is made, you can monitor its performance within the app. Review and adjust. Periodically review your investments and make any necessary adjustments based on your goals and market changes.